Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We got an exciting project to cover today. So here we have an 06 Z06. This Corvette came from an abandoned garage when someone saw it and just in the spur of the moment made an offer on it, and the owner actually accepted it, and that's where the project began. This fella decided to go and completely restore the car, bring it to be in mint shape, and lucky to us, he gave us the honor of actually looking after the project. So the first thing that he actually went ahead and did is he went and bought a brand new LS7 engine. So we're talking about this V8 7-liter engine, completely brand new, as if it is original, to put the car back to life. So here at Oraizen, we actually ended up putting the whole engine in, doing everything that is involved with that. From there, the owner of the car actually decided to get into the cosmetic side and did quite a bit to it, from paint protection to paint correction, then the paint protection to polishing, of course. Got new rims on the car. If you saw in the back those beautiful red strip lines that he actually did. So you know me, I'm a sucker for those liners, but I love how the diffuser looks with those new red lines. Really awesome to see how this car arrived here and how it's living. It truly went through a conversion, whether it was the tinting, everything was done on this project, and it's so cool to say that we accepted the car in a completely different shape and we're gonna hand it back. I can't wait to see the reaction from the owner once he finally gets this car. But like we always say, we do it all, and just come and talk with us if there's anything you might even consider doing, and let's get it done.
Come on, baby girl, we're not the same. Two different speeds, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul.